So this is a Frankenberry Pi. And what that is it's a Raspberry Pi that's been put in an enclosure and is powered by a switch mode power supply through the GPIO port instead of the tiny micro B size USB port that just overheats once the processor core gets cranking. So I thought, well, go through the big pins on the GPIO port and just give the little beast a break. And so I wanted to run a couple of stepper motors that you see here and here. And so I bought a little hat board, a little daughter board that they call a hat board that runs through the GPIO port. So I desoldered the connector on that one and then put basically pins this long on the board and made my own connector, and then made a daughter board using some perf board. And it's pretty ugly. It's a haywire job because I'm not going to make a dozen of them, right? I'm going to make that one. And it was a prototype. And it's all fused in that. And it ports power, the appropriate power, to the Raspberry Pi that's down on the lower side here, whether you can see the video cable come out. And then the next layer where you see all these colored wires barfing out to the different motors that are going to be controlled by a small program that I downloaded and then modified a bit so that I put a 4X loop in there basically and made it give 5 shaft rotations and perform a little dance so that you can see true independence of motion. So if all goes well, this thing should work if I have typed out the command line correctly. Thank you for watching. And remember, ska and destroy.